As far as career for Vinicius Junior to
scored with a swagger,
just sucked in towards the Brazil wanted.
Oh no, that's an interesting one, and it's a penalty.
Works so hard, just gets him.
Imagined when he
trying to outwit each other.
No way through, but he'll have another go. In fact, he takes it on himself because nicely done. He might get it back. He does. Oh!
Nowhere near offside.
Vinicius. Paqueta.
Player, it's cheeky. Career Republic
because can't quite find them, and then Alisson with a stop and shot.
Repelling anything that Career Republic strike, but they will need it.
Once again he comes up with the good.
ترجع الكرة الثانية كنترول ويضرب بيسار تفاعل كوري للتاريخ كاليسون صعب عليه كوري عامر يا بيت